Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time for another property tour with their host, America's Realtor, a.k.a. Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are in Bartonville, Texas at 1425 Bryan Street. It does have an Argyle zip code, 76226. And I'm very excited to show this one to you guys. Absolutely stunning. And if you haven't already, please throw me that thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so we can inform others on the hot Texas real estate market. And let's get into the specs. This is 5 beds, 7 baths. It's 5 full baths, 2 half baths, 4-car garage, 5,883 square feet. And this was just listed 3 days ago. And it is on a little over 2 acres, 2.004. It is Denton County. And the subdivision name is Hudson Hills. HOA fees are $1,200 a year. And this is indeed brand new, 2024 by Denton Creek Builders. And this is listed at $3,200,000, so $3.2 million, worth every single penny. Absolutely stunning. This is Denton ISD. It is zoned to Dorothy P. Atkins Elementary School, Harpool Middle School, and Geyer High School, Denton Geyer. And we are just strolling on, enjoying this beautiful home tour. And I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of this home tour. And I'm about to cue the music. Thank you for stopping in. And I'll see y'all on the next one.
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay